Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to start question 66. Sir, pending scholarship will be released as soon as bank account related issues of beneficiaries are resolved. For the annual year 2020-21, verification of scholarships application forms are under process.
So may I know from Honorable Minister, when he said that scholarship for the last 5 years cannot release because of the issue of beneficiaries, may I know what kind of issues regarding bank account of beneficiaries, sir?
Sir, I want to correct the honourable member. It is not the issue that for the last 5 years scholarships have not been paid. There are some applicants who have not get the scholarship. It is because of their related issues like the bank account or other document which is not improper. That's why they didn't get those scholarship as of now.
So may I know from Honorable Minister whether this scholarship are given to the student, it is a monetary allocation or how that central sponsorship, sir?
There are also state scholarship and also the central sponsored scholarships. Yes, sir.
Sir, I'm talking about the budgetary allocation from Education Department regarding with the scholarship of the student. Since the Minister have already said some of the amount have given from the state bodies, from the state and some from the central. How much they share from the state, sir?
The share from the state is 10%, sir, for the central sponsored scheme, sir.
May I know from Honorable Minister in charge of Education, is there any fiscally challenged student who are getting extra of scholarship or benefit from the government, sir?
The scholarship, it is being given as per provision, as per rules and regulation of the manage of the scholarship, sir. For the number of those who have the physical challenges, I didn't have the data with me, sir. I required notice.
So for the information of the minister, there is a scholarship given by the government of India for the physically challenged student. That is what is type of scholarship. That's why they have brought and also for interest of the physically challenged student. So may I know from Honorable Minister, is there any scholarship for those who student for the postgraduate student, including MPhil and PhD, sir?
Sir, under the post-matric scholarship for student tribe, for the group 1, that includes the PhD, MPhil, MBBS, BTech, MTech, there is a scholarship, and this have been enhanced, sir, for the 2019-20. Before it is for day scholar is 10,735. Now it is 40,500. Before for hosteler is 17,235. Now is 47,000. These have been enhanced from 2019-20, sir.
Sir.
Last question.
So may I know from Honorable Minister, if the student of class 11, they cannot appear for exam due to illness or any circumstances, whether the student is getting under that scholarship, sir?
Sir, the scholarship is given for the academic year, which they so depend when they have applied. So if they are eligible, they are given the scholarship. If they are not eligible, then automatically it is rejected.
So my point is here, sir. Last, sir. So my point is here, because why I raised for this question, because some student of class 11, because of illness, they cannot appear the exam of class 11. Some of institution they have rejected of the scholarship because they cannot appear exam. That's my point. Whether if the student now they can for the whole year, so they have only admission for the class 11 for this year, then the whole year they cannot go for school or college. Then scholarship only apply with a such student whether they can get under scholarships.
See, Mr. Speaker, sir, now the scholarship is applied. I think once you have applied, if you are qualified, then automatically, because it is managed by the National Scholarship Portal, so automatically it will be accepted and he will get the scholarship. But if he is repeated, then that is different issue altogether, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, may I know from the Honorable Minister the name of the scholarship that are offered for individual domicile of Meghalaya, both the central sponsored scholarship and the state sponsored scholarship?
So, number one is umbrella scheme for of pre-matric scholarship for scheduled tribe student class 11, 9 and 10. Number two, umbrella scheme of post-matric scholarship for scheduled tribe. Number three, this is post-matric. Number three, NEC scholarship. Number four, state scholarship scheme. Number five, book grant scholarship. Number six, free student scholarship. Then the state merit scholarship, scholarship under Ministry of Minority Affairs. Then the National Means Com Merit Scholarship, National Talent Sage Scheme, then the State Talent Sage Examination, then Award for Meritorious Tribal Student of Meghalaya, class 12. Sir.
So there are some scholars who is doing postgraduate and PhD, that they have to go to overseas library to collect the data. So is there any schemes from the state for such scholar?
For that, I require notice, sir. And I want to mention one more scholarship, is border area scholarship, which I forgot to mention when the honorable member from Nongpo has asked the questions.